how to log in with Discord token. So if you were to log in with Discord token, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to simply go and search for Discord. And once you've searched for Discord, you will get this kind of interface. You need to just simply go with Open Discord, which will be in the top right, and go with the login interface. Once you go with the login, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Once you do that, you'll find different options. You can just simply go with More Tools. And from the More Tools, you will have Developer Options. Click on Developer Options. Once you go with the developer options, click on the arrow, which will be on top of the application. And once you click on the arrow right here, you'll find the application option. You need to click on it. Now on the application, you need to just simply scroll down a bit and you'll find a blank space. Once you go with the bottom, you will have the interface right here. You need to just simply enter a token. Once you enter a token on the right side, under value, you need to type in your token and press Ctrl plus R. Double click on Ctrl plus R. It will load and you will be logged into your account. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.